Hi everybody, how are you? So in math today we are going to practice more with counting coins. So I have lots of coins up here that we're going to practice with today. So first up I have a quarter. Does anyone remember how much a quarter is worth? 25 cents. So when we are counting quarters we count by 25 and we've practiced how to do this. 25 cents, 50, 75, 100. What does 100 cents mean? $1. So we would say 25, 50, 75, $1. This is a dime. It is worth 10 cents. So if we're counting dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40. Nickels are worth 5 cents. So when we count nickels, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And pennies are only worth 1 cent. So when we count pennies, we count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So think back to all of the times in morning meeting when we played Duck Duck Math and we learned how to skip count by all of these numbers. Playing Duck Duck Math got us ready to be able to count coins. So I'm going to mix some coins up and your job is going to be to help me count them. So my magnets that I'm using aren't perfect, but we're going to try our best. So if I have 1 quarter, 2 dimes, a nickel, and let's say 3 pennies. So we want to count the coin that's worth the most money first. So which coin is worth the most? Look closer so you can see. The coin that's worth the most is the quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. So I say 25. Well, now a dime is only worth 10 cents. So after this 25, now I need to start counting by 10. So I need to know 10 more than 25. 35, 45. Now I have a nickel. So now I only have to add 5. So we have 25, 35, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53. So this would be 53 cents. And here's how you would write that. 53. And then the symbol for cents is a C with a line through it. Okay? So let's practice counting some other coins. What if I had 3 nickels and a penny? Well, nickels are worth 5 cents, so we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, freeze, 16. So that would be 16 cents. Okay, let's practice some more with quarters. Because I think that mixing in quarters is the trickiest. So if I have 2 quarters and then a nickel and 2 pennies. Okay, so I'm going to count by 25s. You ready? 25, 50, freeze. Now I'm going to add 5, 55, 56, 57. There's 57 cents. Can you think of another way to make 57 cents? I can. Okay, what if I used dimes? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57. I can make 57 cents that way. Okay, what if I had 3 quarters? Whoops, I'm not wanting to stay up. My magnets aren't very great, but that's okay. We're doing the best that we can. What if I had 3 quarters, a nickel, a dime, and a penny? What do I count first? The quarters, because they're worth the most. 25, 50, 75, plus 10, 85, plus 5, 90, 91. So that would be 91 cents. try to make 23 cents. What combination of coins could I use to make 23 cents? Well, can I use a quarter? How much is a quarter worth? 25. That's more than what we're trying to make. So I can't use a quarter this time. Okay, I could use a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents, 20 cents, 21, 22, 23. I could just use dimes and pennies. I could use a dime, 10, and some nickels, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. I could even do that. 10, 15, 20, freeze, 21, 22, 23. So counting coins is going to take some practice because you really have to think about how much each coin is worth, and you're going to have to sometimes add 25 or add 10 or add 5 or add 1. And so you really have to think about how much each coin is worth when you're counting coins. So I have an activity up on Seesaw for you today for you to practice counting coins. My advice to you is to start with the coin that is worth the most money. So if you have dimes, nickels, and pennies, you want to count the dimes first. If you have quarters, nickels, and pennies, you want to count the quarters first. If you have nickels and pennies, count the nickels first. So I want you to try the activity on Seesaw. I want you to just practice counting those coins. It's okay if it's tricky right now because usually when we're at school, we practice counting coins every morning during morning meeting, but we can't do that right now, but we can practice, and the more that we practice, the easier it will be. So check out that activity on Seesaw. I can't wait to see what you guys do. Have a great day, friends.